This is my special car with a special number, and the number is a VIP number, which is also my birth date. This was sourced for my dad as a gift to me 15 years back. I am proud to have this old number on my new car. Once you put on the sports mode, the beast inside this car wakes up, and it turns out to be a altogether a different vehicle when you're driving on a sports mode. So basically, the best mode to drive this vehicle is sports mode. If you are a car enthusiast, it has all the features, very comfortable to use and very driver friendly vehicle. Hi, this is Varun Singh, and this is my Creta 1.5 liter petrol engine automatic transmission. So I am driving this car since last 8 months, and I have covered successful 12,000 kilometers in this car. I'm very happy with this car. I bought this car for 19 lakh 16,000. I took a Oriental insurance for this car. This is zero debt insurance. So I have paid for extra warranty, extended warranty for this car from Hyundai. So this has a 3 years warranty. So I've paid for 2 years additional warranty. My car is covered for 5 years warranty. So it was approximately 15,000. I had a car which had a VIP number, so I wanted to carry forward that number to my new car. So the process was, when I came from Rajasthan, I had a temporary registration. I went to that authority, submitted all my documents, and I had to pay additional for 25,000 rupees, which was a transfer fee for this number. So this number from my old car came to this new car. This number, which is also my birth date, is very special and dear to me. Sourced for my dad as a gift to me. So this is my birth date also, and this is my car's number. So this is 24, number 24. Car has 3 modes, which is economy mode, comfort mode and sports mode. Driving in an economy mode, it gives me mileage of 11 kilometers. On an comfort mode, it gives me 10 to 11 kilometers. And if I'm driving it on a sports mode in a city, it is giving me 8 to 10 kilometers. And on highways, on an optimum speed of 100 kilometers, it is giving me 16, 17. If we go above 100 kilometers, the average comes down to probably 12 to 14 kilometers on a highway. This car has covered 12,000 kilometers. 2 services have been done. First was the basic service, which was an inspection service, which was done at 1,000 kilometers. So that's just the general checkup and washing and cleaning of the car. And the second service was at 10,000 kilometers. So I had a very pretty experience of that service. I was assuming that service cost would be higher for this kind of vehicle, but I ended up paying just 4,700 rupees for the second service, which was the primary service wherein the engine oil was changed, filter was changed, and washing and cleaning of the car. And I had a great experience with the service guys. Despite turning up there by afternoon, my car was handed over in 3 hours. I was really happy with the service quality and washing and cleaning of the car. I had zeroed down on this car, and this was the only car which I had to buy, and the color. So I had booked this car in Delhi last year. So I had to wait 7 months before that denial which came from them that they could not deliver this car due to chip shortage. So finally I bought this car from Rajasthan. So why only Creta? So this is sheer because of the love for the brand and the company. I have driven 2 Hyundai products in past, and I had a very good experience with those products. If you talk about Hyundai, Hyundai is providing you the next level features which are very inline and first of its kind in this car and this segment. Zeroed down on Creta because of the feature, the service quality and the company background and the past experience. Seltos was there, but I found space inside the cabin of both the cars to be different. I mean, Creta has more space if compared to Seltos. And I always wanted to buy a Hyundai. If
Overall rating.
I would like to give 10 because I have researched on this car, this product, and I found this car to be very feature loaded and very comfortable to drive. This car has a fancy look, be it the design of the DRLs, the contours of the car, and the round edges. So I really like the design part, so which was the best thing I found in the exterior of this car, and I would like to rate it 10 on 10.
the inside plushness of the car.
I would like to rate again 10 on 10 because this car is highly premium car with the white and the black combination. It gives very premium finish to, and the fit and finish of Hyundai product is very great and amazing.
Seating comfort, front seat, and seating comfort, rear seat.
Seating comfort at the first front seat is great because it has front ventilation. So front ventilation could have been added on the rear seat as well. Seating is good. For the front it is 10 on 10 because it has front ventilation. Rear it is 8 on 10.
AC cooling front and rear.
AC cooling is 10 on 10 because this car has an amazing air conditioning. So the blower speed and the cooling is amazing. So I usually drive on one or two points, not beyond that because it is not required. The blower seat speed is immense.
Driving pleasure of the car.
It is a tall boy design car and you are positioned high. Driving is very comfortable and you don't feel driving fatigueness with this vehicle. So I am loving the driving experience of this car. So I would rate 10 on 10.
Safety of the car.
I am assured of the safety of this car because this car comes with 7 airbags, which is covering all sides, all front, back, and the knee support. And it also has all disc brake, traction control. These all features make this car a safe car. So I would rate again 10 on 10.
Overall value for money. You paid and you're getting some mileage, you're getting some service cost and all that thing.
For a price, what I have paid for this car is loaded with features and the driving position, comfort, luxury, premiumness of this vehicle is a value for money. It would be 8 on 10. Hey guys, if you have liked this review, please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Drive safe. Hope you have liked this episode and also request you all to watch other episodes which are coming in this channel.
Thank you, sir.